Today is Wednesday, March 18, 2026, and also Fed Day. Jerome Powell didn't say anything very surprising. He just said what we expected. That's it. Talk about surprise. We have PPI back 0.3, came out 0.5. PPI 0.3, came out 0.7. So missed by a mile. Inflation officially returned. And we have crude oil inventory a huge beat. So 6.2 millions compared to drawdown of 1.5 million. So it's very bearish oil. That's why oil today act kind of strange. Now market today very volatile and interesting. So overnight up a lot from the close to the high overnight 0.75%, and then just downhill all day. Same thing with SB 500, and then our position down a lot. Maybe not too much, but decent amount. Oil down a lot last night, and then came back very strong, up 7%, 7.4%, or 9%. That's why trading oil has been limited to some people, because as you can see it's very volatile. You have to suffer you have to suffer 4%, and with leverage like 40% of your trade, and that's why it's hard. It's hard. Oil needs to be a very small position of your account. Here's the lesson for today. You have to wait for the close, because when it open, it's actually pretty good, and with the PPI came out very hot, extremely hot, inflation returned, but it's still doing okay, still doing okay until Jerome Powell, but he didn't say anything surprising, so I conclude the market is weak right now. Yeah, that's the conclusion. It's just down a lot to the closing, and close at the low of day is very bad side, I tell you. And talk about our future position. I'm looking at gold and silver right now, especially silver, because silver has a lot of speculation going on last year, the whole last year, and until now. A lot of people unwind a lot of their profit, and that's a good thing for us, because right now position is very favored for a long time, and it's trading weak since the beginning of war. The war marked the top, and since then is go down with stock, but it's never go up with stock. Yeah, pathetic, but that's a good thing. It's a good thing for us. So my hope is to go back to 60. Why? Because 60 has a lot of support, and 60 mean all the stop loss 7 at 65 will be gone, will be liquidated. And because how the price action lately is very weak, people getting bored, people getting tired, but people are still hoping. Yeah, so I believe if it drop to 60 or even lower, even better to 74, that's a very good buy for us. 54.26, very good buy. And if you think they cannot drop another 30%, well, it's up 300% last year. Silver can do a lot of things. I was buying yen to fund run the news failure, but I don't think breaking my process is a good habit. So I closed the trade very quickly. Don't have any damage yet, and right now it's making new low. So out of the yen turned out to be a good thing. Yeah, I need to wait for the news failure or market confirmation to enter the trade. As of our position, it's doing very good right now, so no need to do anything, because small cap is really sensitive to rate, and right now there's no we have a better chance of a rate hike than a rate cut. Alright guys, things are extremely work in our favor. That's it for today. I hope you like it, and I will see you tomorrow.